Good morning. What's up, little babies? So this morning we woke up. Mello gave me time to get ready, but not him. We're about to get him ready right now. Bae is currently getting ready to go get her haircut. But today's vlog is really, I guess, just us. Because Bae has stuff to do today, so... And I didn't want to not record because I want to record today. I'm going to record some of baby girl's clothes and products that we got and we received from some people. They are so cute. I'm so ready to show you guys. I'm going to do a part 1 right now and then I'll do a part 2. I remember with Mello's clothing vlog, I just did one big haul or just one video. But with baby girl, I'm going to do multiple clothing hauls, okay? So the way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to pick my top favorites and then I'm gonna record and show you guys, I guess, clothing of the month or week, or whatever. We're gonna get Mello ready. We got him these cute little shoes that don't really fit, but we're gonna see if they fit today. And Bae made me this smoothie slash milkshake. Not really sure what it is, but it was so good. I've been enjoying these in the morning. All done. Let's get Mello ready. Hello. Ready to clean up this room? So yeah, we're about to get him ready and then maybe we'll jump into my top favorites. So I don't know if I would really call this a vlog. I don't know. It depends. If Bae comes back early from getting a haircut, then yeah, it'll probably continue. But if not, then it might not. I'm gonna show you guys what I have on and then I'm all dressed up in the house and I'm not even going nowhere. But I just love the way this dress looks on my belly. So I want to get my tripod, but Mello's gonna mess with it because it's the ring light and he's gonna mess with it. So I decided not to turn it on. So I'm just gonna have to prop this up somewhere because I want to do his hair, at least redo it. And then I'm gonna do the same exact thing, except I'm just gonna redo it because it looks a mess and you guys are gonna redo it with me. So I guess I'm gonna just fast forward this part of me getting him ready. All right, let's do it. Let me find somewhere to prop up this camera, and then I'll be back. So I put coconut oil all on his face for his eyebrows and his hair is done. He was a little bit moody this morning, but he still let me do it. So we are both done getting ready. And while he is occupied with these little balls that we got from the dollar store and he puts them in here. Yeah, he's gonna be occupied for a good minute. Let me take some more out. This is just a small DIY, guys. I was gonna paint it, but haven't painted yet. The inside, all the balls. So I have to cover it before he goes crazy, because he likes when all of them are out. So I know my outfit is about to be messed up because I have a toddler. So I'm gonna try to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what I have on. And this is my 24 weeks belly. 24 weeks. And I waited. Tasha got me this dress like when I was like 12 weeks pregnant. And I waited to wear it. It was a little too big. And now it's fitting. So I hope you guys can see me and I hope you guys can hear. When Bae went to the store, they picked this out, which is super, super cute. It still has the tag thing on it, so I have to soak it a little bit and get that off. So this is going probably above the baby's bed. It's so cute. It says, I love you to the moon and back. You like that? Ooh. Ooh. I mean, some Jamaican patty that I got. And you just warm it up in the microwave. Honestly, when you do it in the oven, it's so much better. Right? These I bought myself in the beginning. So these are like some of my top picks. And they're both from Carter. I'll show you guys what I like about these. So this, my favorite thing about this is that it's a dress. And it also is a onesie. And it also comes with this little cover-up piece, this little sweater, which is super cute for little girls. It says newborn, so this will be nice and cozy for her to wear. And it has these little cute little buttons. So cute. This one is also from Carter's, and it has these cute little bloomer pants. And honestly, I don't really like the pants as much because I feel like they don't really match, right? Anyway, but I like the shirt. I really like the top. The top is super cute with the flamingos. But the bottom, not really sure why they did that. But these two were one of my first outfits for baby girl. So that made me super, super excited because when I found out she was a girl, I was like, going to the store. And I went to the store to Carter's and that's what I got. This is so cute. Guys, okay, so I'm not a girly girl, so like I'm not all about the pink, 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 but I do like neutral colors a whole lot. I saw a lot of like pink baby, like it's so much pink stuff in the stores. It's ridiculous. Like, do we ask for pink baby stuff or do they just give it to us? Because I feel like girls need other colors. Like boys have all kinds of colors. Why can't girls? But I found this one. I found a gray one also, but I figured I'm gonna just go with the white. It's more like a creamish white color. And it's so cute and so fluffy. It's super, super soft. So my next thing to show you guys is these shoes that was on my baby registry. Make sure you guys subscribe for what's on my baby registry video because I will be posting that next. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I do like that I'm posting these videos. So this was on my baby registry. I'll get closer. These are 0 to 6 months. And they are super cute. My sister-in-law got these for me, and I was so excited when I received these. She also got me, let's just open it since technically I haven't opened it yet. Also for my baby registry, she got me this, which I do want. With Mello, I had the Moby wrap. So that one was a little more complicated and then he got super thick. So it didn't really help that much. So I'm hoping this one is really good for us because you don't have to tie it or anything and it's cheaper than the Moby wrap. So I'm really excited to use this one. And it's 4 ways to carry. And I'll show you guys. I just found that my camera is a little blurry. So the first part was a little blurry. So I'm a little upset about that. But that's okay because it's still recorded at least. Up next we have this cute little outfit. This is the pants, this is the back side. And it comes with a hat, a bow hat, and a nice lovely shirt. And the shirt has like a button in the back. So it's super, super cute. I love the colors. I love that it's not super pink. I just think it's gonna be perfect for her. I just think it's gonna be awesome. And this one is a size 3 to 6 months. So with Mello, I bought a lot of newborn clothes, like a lot. But this time I'm gonna use some of Mello's newborn clothes because most of those are gender neutral. And then I mostly bought like 3 to 6 months, a couple of 3 months, and I'm mostly focused on 3 to 6 months and, you know, up. My next favorite is this little cute outfit. So it comes with these cute pants. They're like cotton, like knitted kinda type pants. And they have like little buttons on both sides, I think, of the pants. I think they're leggings and they're probably gonna be like knee high, I guess, maybe, or under her knees maybe, because they're not that long. So maybe ankle length. And then this shirt right here. So cute. I love this shirt. And this is also 3 to 6 months. My next thing is this. It's called Kelly Baby by Kelly Toys. And it's so cute. It's also a rattle. And it has something else that matches it, which I'm going to show you guys, which is super cute because I like that they match. So these are also from Carter too. And these were one of my first outfits that I got also myself, right after I found out I was having a girl. I can't remember if I got them together or separately, but I think it's together since they're like almost the same color. And these are 3 months old. Our next thing is these dresses, Touched by Nature. That's who they're from. And these are 0 to 3 months, even though I feel like they're a little bigger, right? So it's super cute. I love these colors, the little bow. And then this is by Carter's. And it's a 3-piece outfit. And it's 0 to 3 months or 3 months. This one says, hello, cutie. And then this one says happy. And it comes with this tutu pants that I really like so much. But they're super cute together. This is one of my favorite outfits for her. This was bought from Bay. Taddy bought it, and I'm so happy that Taddy did. Let's see who it's from. Nicole Miller, New York. Never heard of it, but it says Nicole Miller. Never heard of her, whatever it is. But this outfit is so cute, and it has this little flower hat. Oh my God, it's so cute. So I'm not supposed to say this, but I was thinking about her coming home outfit, and with Mello, I had a onesie kind of like this with the booty and everything, and I had to pair it with a hat and some mittens. And this time it comes with a hat, so I'm just like, should I make this her coming home outfit? Because this is 0 to 3 months, so she should be able to fit this. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know, maybe I'll fall in love with something else in the midst of this. I'll show you guys the details. All right, so next we have this cute little flower outfit. Comes with this cute shirt. And then this is the jumper or romper. And it has these little frills at the bottom. Super, super, super cute. This one is 12 months, surprisingly. It says 12 months, but knowing my kids, because of Mello, she's probably gonna be wearing this before that. So we'll see. And this is it together. This one's my little last baby. He's trying to get outside. Can you wait for me? Anyway, this I also like. This one is 3 to 6 months. I love this shirt underneath. It's so cute. And it's actually a onesie underneath. I don't want to take it apart, but it's a onesie and it's super cute. So she could wear this by itself, which is cool. This stuff with the little decoration on it. Super cute. I forgot to show you guys the last thing that was on my favorite list. The only reason I didn't show you guys right away is because Mello was being a little grumpy and he loves this little bunny thing. He lays on it a lot. And this is for baby girl when she comes. I'm super excited for this. It's so cute. And this is the thing I was telling you that matches the rattle thing that we got, the little rattle bunny. He loves it. That's how I know she'll love it. Look at him. So yeah, that's the end of my favorite top favorite haul. And I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna try to do one maybe twice a month, like my top favorites, or maybe once a month. I don't know yet. Okay, everyone, so Mello's getting a little upset, and I'm glad he gave me just enough time to finish the haul, but he's getting really upset on the floor. Look at her. and he wants to go take a nap, which is fair because he woke up a little early. I wanted to put Babe on this little mini vlog today, but I guess Mello won't let me because I was waiting for Babe to get home before I end this video, but Mello's not letting me do that, so I think I'm gonna give him his nap so he can be happy, and I'm gonna do a little cleaning. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. One more belly shot. She's hanging so low right now. Oh my goodness, she's just moving around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry we gotta end this video and make it short. Make sure you comment below more video suggestions for me and Mello to do at home, and also more video suggestions for us as a family. My hands hurt. Oh, check out my baby registry link down below. I did make it public couple weeks ago maybe, but I am gonna go through it, so make sure you look out for our next video what's on my baby registry so I can go through it with you guys, because I know some of you guys are pregnant and would like to know what's in mine. So I'm gonna put my little son to sleep. As you can see, he's so tired, and I'll talk to you babies later.